A big day for Rhea Chakravarti today as the Supreme Court will deliver its verdict on Rhea's plea seeking a transfer of probe in Sushant Singh Rajput's death case to Mumbai at 11 a.m. today. The matter is to come up in the top court. It will deliver the verdict on pleas filed by Rhea Chakravarti as well as Sushant's family members, the Bihar government, Maharashtra government and the CBI. In her plea, Rhea Chakravarti sought for transfer of FIR from Patna to Mumbai. She also said that investigation in the case in Bihar is illegal. Earlier in Supreme Court, Rhea Chakravarti also said that she has no objection to CBI probe if it is ordered by the Supreme Court though. In July, Rhea had tweeted to Home Minister Amit Shah seeking for a CBI probe in the case. In fact, in its final arguments, CBI has said that there was no question of transfer of probe to Mumbai. CBI also said that recording of statements by Mumbai cops is not legal. Meanwhile, Sushant's family has claimed that the role of the Mumbai police in the case is dubious and that the CBI can legally take over probe in any case. Maharashtra government and the Bihar government in the meanwhile have been at loggerheads. The Maharashtra government has said that FIR filed in Patna is politically motivated and that there is no reason to transfer probe to CBI. Well, here is Sushant Singh Rajput's family, Rhea Chakravarti, the Bihar government, Maharashtra government, also the CBI's version will be heard by the top court today, this morning. It's going to be quite interesting to know if the Supreme Court decides to continue with the CBI probe, which is already underway. In fact, the CBI is already investigating into the matter. Here is the top court now to decide on the jurisdiction. Now, let's quickly take a look at 4 scenarios and the impact that it could really have, it could have had on the case. The scenario 1, we take you through CBI investigation on the Patna FIR. This is more or less an impact that would be a big blow to Rhea Chakravarti if at all the decision comes in that the CBI will continue to investigate the Patna FIR. Now, Rhea Chakravarti, remember, has been seeking a transfer of the FIR from Patna to Mumbai. In fact, she also wants the probe to be continued by the Mumbai police, and the Mumbai police, along with the Supreme Court, decide on a CBI probe, not the Bihar police. Now, there's another scenario here where, if at all, the CBI there, if the scenario would be a win for Sushant Singh's family as they've been demanding for a in fact, they've been asking for a CBI probe. Even if at all fresh case is filed by the CBI here, this scenario will be a major blow to the Maharashtra police. That is what is believed. In fact, this is what is said, that this would be a big blow to the Maharashtra police, who's been investigating the matter already for the last few months. It will be a closure for them. Now, scenario 3. Only Mumbai police probe this case. Now, that would mean a big blow to Sushant Singh Rajput's family, who've been claiming that they have no faith in the Mumbai police quite a while now. In fact, Rhea Chakravarti, however, has been demanding that the Mumbai police continue to probe this case, considering the death took place in Mumbai. Now, scenario 4 is a situation where Patna FIR is quashed, citing lack of jurisdiction. This too will come as a big blow to the late actor's family, who filed an FIR in Patna. Now, these are more or less the scenarios. If at all the situation arises in the top court, this is exactly what's going to happen. But nonetheless, it appears that the chorus around Sushant Singh Rajput's death, justice for him there, a free and fair probe into his case, grows louder. Let's quickly cut across to Anisha Mathur joining us from Delhi, Rohit Singh reporting from Patna, Pankaj Upadhyay joining us from Mumbai for more details on that. Anisha, right over to you. Supreme Court today to take up the matter at 11 a.m. We gave a couple of scenarios on what could happen. Either the CBI could continue with the Patna FIR or the Mumbai police could continue with its investigation. On both sides, this comes down to a jurisdiction issue. What is expected at 11 a.m. today?
Well, Nabila, remember the basic issue in this entire controversy is what the CRPC says and where does the jurisdiction lie. Now, the Maharashtra police, where the crime has actually taken place, normally under the CRPC, the jurisdiction of the police station where the crime has taken place is to investigate the matter. if there is a complainant who lives somewhere else, when they go to the police in their area, normally what happens is that the police there registers what is called a zero FIR and then transfers the investigation to the police station where the crime happens. But in this case, that is something that has not happened. Bihar police registered an FIR, started their own probe, and while this transfer petition was pending in the Supreme Court, the Bihar government transferred the case now to the CBI. So this transfer is what has complicated the matter legally. Because if it was not for the fact that the matter has already gone to the CBI, the Supreme Court could have simply transferred the zero FIR to Mumbai and asked the Mumbai police to ensure that an investigation is carried out properly so that the concerns of the family of Sushant Singh Rajput are addressed. Now here, this is not going to be that easy a judgment because now the CBI has already taken over the probe. We currently have two parallel probes almost, where the Mumbai Police's inquest proceedings as well as the CBI's probe is going on. The ED has also jumped into it. So therefore, we have these various scenarios of what the court may do. The basic question is going to be, can we at this time say that the CRPC provisions, the provisions of jurisdiction as have been defined under the law, will they allow the Bihar FIR to stand or not? And that is going to be something very, very important to see, because the impact of that judgment may have an impact on several other cases. However, in this situation, since the CBI has already taken over the case, the question is, how exactly does the Supreme Court balance the fact of the CBI investigation with
Anisha, it's about time that we wait and watch. Let's quickly cut across to Pankaj Upadhyay, who's in Mumbai. Pankaj, what's the sentiment there? We know that the chorus is growing louder for a CBI probe. Now, currently, the top court is going to hear the matter. If at all, Mumbai police are not allowed to investigate into the matter, all those efforts that they've put over the last 2 months will be in vain. Those statements, all of that recording that they've done, all that you think will be taken over by the CBI, or will that go to waste with the CBI initiating a fresh probe, if in case a scenario arises?
Good morning, Nabila. So it's going to be an interesting day. There's no doubt about that. Every party here has been saying they are right in their own terms. When you're talking about Maharashtra, well, here the government has been saying they are right. Mumbai police has been saying they are right. Both of them have been saying there is a whole lot of politics involved, and that either the Bihar government and that the Bihar police has got absolutely no jurisdiction. And it is because of the political pressure that such happenings are taking place. So it's going to be an interesting day. We'll have to wait and watch what the apex court decides. But as far as Riya Chakrabarti is concerned, their basic argument is that there is no connection of the case in Bihar. And as such, it is only owing to the political pressure that the case has been registered in Patna. And if Riya Chakrabarti were to get justice, then the only way is for the apex court to transfer that FIR from Patna to Mumbai. From day one, she has been maintaining that she has been cooperating. In fact, her lawyers have been saying even now that Mumbai police is carrying out the probe. ED, that's the Enforcement Directorate, is also carrying out the probe. She's been cooperating with both the agencies whenever she's been called. And she is even okay if the apex court were to give full rights to the Central Bureau of Investigation for the case. But their only contention is, if this case is not transferred, the FIR registered in Patna is not transferred to Mumbai, then she won't get justice. So we'll have to wait and watch. How does the apex court view the entire development?
Let's see what we have from Rohit as well. Pankaj, do stay with us. Rohit Singh joining us from Patna. Rohit, Patna police, they're constantly saying the family members live in Patna, therefore their FIR holds good, and the CBI probing Patna FIR is the only way out. What do you think is the sentiment now ahead of moments before the top court taking up the matter?
Well, Nabila, it's not like that that the family of Sushant Singh Rajput wanted the CBI probe from day one. Because initially they trusted the Patna police. KK Singh registered an FIR in Patna, and they wanted Patna police to carry out investigation, which they were doing. But the manner in which Patna police was not allowed to investigate properly in Mumbai, and the manner in which IPS Vinay Tiwari was quarantined, it clearly showed that there was something fishy. The Mumbai police was not sharing any kind of documents, CCTV footages, which the Patna police was seeking to carry forward the probe. That is when the family member thought that the Patna police was not being allowed to investigate this case properly. So there was a need for a central agency to step in. And that is why demand from Mr. Kekar Singh, from the family members for a CBI probe. Nitish Kumar swiftly acted on it and he recommended a CBI probe in this entire matter. And as I speak right now, the family members as well as the Bihar government are of the view that this matter has now become very murky, very suspicious, and that is why CBI probe is the only probe. If it happens, then a free and fair probe will take place and truth will come out.
Absolutely, Rohit. Thank you very much, all of you. Rohit, Pankaj and Anisha for joining us with all those details. We're going to keep coming back to you as moments from now, the Supreme Court will take up the matter at 11 a.m. This is a big moment for the family members of Sushant as well as his fans, even Riya Chakravarti there. In fact, the Supreme Court is all set to rule in Sushant Singh Rajput's case today. The chorus only growing louder globally for justice. The family of the late actor has been at the forefront of this campaign, demanding for a CBI probe into the death. The demand has been endorsed by top celebrities and received support both within and outside of India. Actor Kangana Ranaut has been the most vocal celebrity in the entire case and has been demanding the CBI investigation in Sushant's death. Sushant's ex-girlfriend Ankita Lokhande has also been demanding for a CBI probe. Apart from Kangana, celebrities like Varun Dhawan, Kriti Sanon, Pariniti Chopra, Zareen Khan have also endorsed CBI probe demanding justice for Sushant.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.